First copy the layer above and go to Effects panel and search for Luma key. Apply this Luma key effect to the new layer and then hide the original layer. Go to Effects Control tab and adjust the threshold and cutoff values depending on your clip. Now search for Gaussian blur and apply it to the new layer. Make sure you apply this in the same sequence. First should be the Luma key and second should be the Gaussian blur. Then control the Gaussian blur and enable the original layer that we have turned off. Now you can change the blending mode or control the opacity depending on your preferences and the clip. Now you can color grade your footage to achieve a more cinematic look with this Pro Mesh Filter Glow that can enhance the final look of your clip. Repeat these same steps with the other clips, and here is the before after for all the clips, and I am fast forwarding the steps for the next clips.